If you're an online coach who creates content and you struggle to manage your time in getting all the content creation done, this video is for you. I'm about to break down the exact 5-pillar system I use to create a week's worth of content in 2 hours or less. If you don't know who I am, my name is Michelangelo Girardi, and I am the owner of Next Gen CEOs, where I help online health and fitness coaches scale their businesses organically without paid ads up to 50 grand a month. Take a look here. We're going to start at ideation. Okay, we have to come up with the ideas for our content. So this is where you're most fresh in the day. Don't do this when you're tired. Don't do this at the end of the day. When you're most clear-headed, when you're most motivated, when you have that fresh cup of coffee, ideate is where you're going to do here. Okay, this is coming up with ideas, whether you want to make up your own, use ChatGPT for some help, or look at your top 5 to 10 competitors in your space and then use what has worked the best for them and put your own little spin on it. So once we ideate, step 2 is to plan. We want to plan out all of our content, meaning scripting. Come up with the script for each of your ideas. So that way, by the time you get to step 3, which I'll make in a second, you can just be free-flowing, ready to go. These can also involve like what call to actions are you going to use? What lead magnets are you going to use? Right? By the time we get to step 3, we're ready to shoot. Now, before we get to step 3, let me just recap. We essentially want everything done in 1 and 2. So we want to have our ideas set, say about 20 different ideas. On number 2, we want to plan those ideas. Maybe we toss out a handful of them because when we plan them, we script them, we write the CTAs, it's not really sounding as good as it sounded in our head. So we'll get to day 3 with the exact scripts for each video, for each idea, ready to just recite them into the camera or iPhone, whatever you're using to record. That way, you don't get frustrated and it's not an exhausting day shooting, constantly needing to go back in the script, change a word here, or getting upset because you keep stumbling over your words. By step 3, you will have free flowing to be able to shoot and get it to your editor in step 4. Or if you edit it yourself, you can use CapCut, you can use the Edit app, you can use captions. I have a video editor because I hate editing, but that's where you can just essentially plug and play it. Say, put it into your editing app and just edit the hell out of it. And obviously step 5 is posting the edits. Now, in step 4, after you edit it, what you can do is schedule inside of Instagram or different content planner application you may use. I mostly post on Instagram, and then I have a VA that takes my Instagram posts, posts it to TikTok, posts it to YouTube Shorts, etc. So I schedule everything inside of the Instagram app to go out. For me, I post Monday to Saturday, and so I don't have to worry about anything. Once the video's edited, my editor lets me know. I upload it into Instagram. I schedule the post once the caption and everything is all done, and it just goes out at the time and day that I want, and I don't have to worry about anything during the week in terms of posting. Okay, which is obviously your step 5. So this is the exact step-by-step process that I follow. Do not skip steps 1 and 2, most important parts. If you get to step 3 and you don't have a plan, you are going to hate your life. Trust me, okay? So step 1 and 2 here are the foundation for this pillar. Most time consuming, most brain requirement, but it's gonna make 3, 4, 5 that much easier, okay? Now, if this seems overwhelming or if this seems like it's a lot of work and you need me to step in and help you a little bit more, click the link down below. You schedule a free one-on-one strategy session with me. We'll take a whole look at your business. I'll look at your content plan. I'll look at your Instagram. I'll see what can be adjusted, and we come out with a 30-day content plan, custom just for you and your avatar and your niche. No strings attached. So click the link down below. Otherwise, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.